going to make some sandwich bread, basic sandwich bread. Simmer 1 cup of your choice of milk. I've chose almond milk. Looks kind of simmery. Let's turn it off. Pour the milk over 2 tablespoons of butter. And let that butter melt. Once your milk has cooled down to 105 to 115 degrees, then add 2 teaspoons of yeast and 2 teaspoons of sugar. We'll let that sit and activate. It's been 5 minutes and our yeast is very activated, looking good. We will add 3 cups of flour. And 1 1/4 teaspoon of salt. I don't like kneading, so I am going to mix this with the dough hooks for 8 minutes. After 8 minutes, our dough is looking really soft and supple. Looks nice. We'll put our dough in a well-oiled bowl. Cover it loosely with some plastic wrap. Put our dough in the oven. It is warmed at 200 degrees for 10 minutes, but now it's turned off. We will wait 1 hour. Warm the oven to 200 degrees again. And let's take this dough out and make it a loaf. This dough looks so nice. We are going to bake our sandwich bread in a large 8-inch cast iron loaf pan. Just form it into kind of a loaf shape. Okay, very good. Cover it and put it back in the oven for our warm place for it to rise up. Okay, turn the oven off. It's just warm. Oh, that's nice. Okay. And we will let it rise for an hour again. Preheat to 375. We are going to bake this bread. Let's take a look at it. Our dough rose nicely. See, it's well above the pan. Now we are going to pop it into the oven and bake it at, my mistake, we're going to bake it at 350. I better turn the oven down. Bake it at 350 for 30 to 35 minutes until it's nice and golden on the top. Okay, we'll bake that for about a half hour. There's the bread. Turned out kind of boring. bread turned out kind of boring. It wasn't what I wanted at all. So I'm gonna make some French toast with it. Got 2 egg whites, some cinnamon, and some sweetener, and some nutmeg. Add some vanilla, add some milk. Let that absorb it up. The bread seems kind of thirsty, so I think that it's going to absorb a lot of that egg. Oh, that's pretty. Look at that.